Well, today is the day, you two. Guess what I did? I bought my first $250 Amazon liquidation pallet from this new liquidation place that's opened up here. I'm about to cut into it and prayerfully, no, I'm going to be confident. I'm going to have some great stuff in here, and I'm going to show you all what I've got. All right, here's the scissors. I'm about to cut it. I'll let you know. Don't you cut nothing. Oh, watch that finger. Okay. Is this really happening? It's really happening. Okay. Oh, what's that? Oh, wait. Okay. All right. The unveiling. Ooh. So, we put the scissors down so I don't hurt nobody. And let's see. Let's see what's in here. Well, let's start with this. It's a fixed cracked screen replacement. Interesting. This is a Jurassic World inflatable T-Rex adult costume. It's open, but it looks new. Doesn't appear to be worn. And this is some kind of blanket, maybe? Sheet set? I'll figure it out. What do you think? Sheet set? No. Okay. Oh. That broke. Maybe not. Light bulbs. I hear it rattling. Okay. What are you? This is I don't know, some kind of tool thingy. I don't know what that is. And this is also a tool thingy. Like wrenches, maybe. I think that's what that is. Okay. You're electronic. You are a Mrs. Coffee thingamajig. Some kind of a beverage warmer. A Mrs. Coffee beverage warmer. Okay. And then you are some cords, chargers, basically. All right, let's see what you are. You are HEPA air purifier filters. Okay. All right, what are you? This lantern? This is a lantern. Okay. Maybe. Looks nice. Oh, this thing is a balanced pet toy. That's always important. A swaddle strap. I always want one of those. This is a dental pole smart pet toy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to scan all this stuff. Mix and match 12-piece bath bomb set. Let's see if I see anything really great down in here. Oh, that's a wig. That'll help, won't it? This is a paper thingy, puncher, hole puncher. Paper thingy. Oh, yeah. Okay, great. All right. Oh, this is heavy. Ooh, what are you? This is a Trematic. Technology changes life. I don't know what this is. You see, some type of electronic. Has a model. I'll have to look it up. Google is our friend. Oh, what are you? Oh. It says Amazon warehouse. Let me get my scissors. Gentle. Great, the light went off. Yeah, it went. Did it right? No, didn't do it right. What is that? It's from Texas region. This thing is it broke? It's broke, whatever it was. Maybe some kind of porcelain. It was some kind of something, Texas cutting board or something. Looks like it would have been cute. It'll be cute trash. Let's see. Yeah, we saw the wig. All right. What are you? You are a space-saving drying rack. A shoulder immobilizer and sling. I always love to immobilize my shoulder. Let's see. Oh, eyebrow stencil. Always wanted that. Oh, let's see what you You know, I don't have my glasses on, right? Let's see. I don't want to cut nothing. Okay, it's bubble wrapped. Whatever it is. Okay. It's some kind of... It's cute. What is it?
The cups. Insulated.
Oh, okay. That was the air talking back to me. You know, I got the air recording for me. Okay, let's see. I'm opening the big box last. Okay. You know, when you get these liquidation boxes, some of them are shelf pulls. This is a microphone. It's a dynamic vocal microphone. Looks new. I sold a toy microphone yesterday for like 20 bucks, so this one is real. Okay, I'll shut that later. All right, let's see. Okay, you're some little something. You're a geek something. Oh, your watch bands. You're a massage hammer. Relax. Enjoy yourself comfortably. Okay, great. This is a window kit where the box is jacked up. All right. Professional beauty hair tools. Who needs beauty hair tools? That looks like a glove. Okay. Oh, I can feel it. There's tools in there. Okay. When I get ready for some beauty, I'll finish opening that. Now, what is this? Oh, it's an iPhone charger thingy, cord. Let's see what we got. Chargers. A brush. I don't know what this is. Designer something. Maybe something to do with golf maybe. Hair beauty. Oh, it's a wig. Okay, great. All right. Oh, I don't know who you are. I'll Google you. Do you know who this is? All right. This is, I don't know, something. Let's see what this is. Some kind of carrying case, maybe. Okay. It's a carrying case. This is a Bissell. I think this here is one of those bear. As I was saying earlier, this is a Bissell. It's a pet hair eraser, but you can see the person used it. How gross is that? However, used, they sell for about 60 bucks. So I'll be grossed out for 60 bucks. So I finished going through my everything in the box. As I said, I paid $2.50 for it, for the whole thing. So what I did, I listed a few items. This dish thingy here, the massager, the microphone, the filters, this wonderful pan here, these insulated wine mug thingies, real cute. These things right here go for over 50 bucks. And this puncher thing. But just the things that you're showing, or that I'm showing here on this table, are over 300, pretty close to 350 listed. And though I do take offers on my items, I still pretty much get close to my to what I want for them. And then I've got more that's still in the box. So there's more in the box. And I will, you know, get some of those things listed tomorrow. Some smaller things down in there. So my first time with the Amazon liquidation mystery box. I think I did pretty good. Of course, you always want to find something really wow in there. But I think with the quote-unquote bread and butter items that I did find, they're going to add up. So I should at least double, possibly triple my money. I'm good with that. I'm good with that. But I will keep you all informed on how it goes. And then this will determine if I get another one. So anyway, be sure to comment down below. Let me know what item you found most interesting. Let me know if you have any suggestions. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm pushing for subscribers. I know it's a lot of people that watch my videos, but you have not subscribed to my channel. I'm waiting for you to join the Cheryl Posse. It's not really a Cheryl Posse, but I'm just saying. Anywho, you all have a great day on purpose. On purpose. Cheryl out.